This is our home connection from Unit 2, Module 4, Session 5, called Moolah on My Mind. 3 opportunities to play this game at home with someone of your choosing. Could be a family member, could be a friend. Try not to choose someone too young unless you're a really good helper, because a younger kid's going to have to do some pretty... excuse me. A younger kid will have to do some pretty complicated math for this. So you'll need some spinnery things. I found 3 things. I have 2 pop tabs and 1 paper clip. Just something that you can set in the middle of here that you can flick and spin. The way it'll work is you will add the first 2 numbers, making sure that you put them in parentheses, and then you will multiply that sum times whatever coin you spin. So, I'm going to get started. I'm going to take my pencil here and I'll set it down. I'll flick my spinner. I'm going to do all 3. So it looks like I have a 4, a 3, and a penny, which is 1 cent. Okay, I'm going to move this over into here. I'm going to simplify it a little bit. 4 plus 3, 7, times 1 equals 7. So I have 7 cents. And I'm going to put that total over here. This is my first one, so I just carried over. I'm going to do $0.07 to make it look like money, because we're going to add these totals up, and hopefully I'll have enough cents to have at least $1. That's my hope anyway. Let's spin again. So I'm going to take my spinner, I'm going to flick it, I'm going to take my another, flick it, oops, I need to spin that one again, and then spin this one. Alright, so it looks like I have a, in parentheses, a 6 plus a, what is that, 3, times a dime, which is 10 cents. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90, so I should have 90 cents. And if I add my 90 over here, 90 plus 7 is 97 cents. I'm going to do 1 more, just to make sure that we're on track. By the way, if you're super confident, you can find your partner and start playing. Each page, there's 3 pages, so you can play it 3 times if you want. But just make sure you alternate, because you don't want to just have your partner wait the whole time. I'm just not taking turns because I'm alone. No one will play with me. So I have a 1. Let me use my pen that's a little darker. 1 plus, what's this here? 5. So it's in parentheses, right? Make sure those first 2 numbers are in parentheses. That indicates you're going to add it first. Then I'm going to take it times, I'm just going to scoot that, boop, to make it look like a quarter, which is 25 cents. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6, times 25 is what? Wow, that's a big number. Well, we know that 4 quarters is $1, right? So I have $1 plus 2 more quarters. Well, 2 quarters is 50 cents, right? So I have $1.50. Now, this might take you a little bit to calculate what your total is now, but I have $1. 97 is my bigger number. If I add 50 to it, what do I have? And if you want to pause to figure it out, you can. If you want to use the sidebar to do addition, you absolutely could. You could do $1.50 up top. You could do 97 underneath. Okay, 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put your 1 up top. Add them together. You do get $2. Oops, excuse me. I need to write a little better. $2.47. That's your running total. As you alternate with your partner, at the end of the sheet, when everybody has taken their final turn, you will congratulate the person who has the most money. Maybe you need to take them out and give them some dessert or something like that. But you have 3 opportunities to do this game. It could be with the same person, 3 other people. You could play yourself if you wanted to, but do this workplace just to ensure that you are super familiar with how we add what's in parentheses first, and that you're comfortable counting your money by multiplying. Okay? Ask a teacher or a trusted adult if you need help. Have a good one.